Ever wonder what's really in your food? It's more than just deliciousness. Every bite is packed with nutrients. These are like building blocks for your body. They give you energy, keep your insides working, and help you grow strong. Just like a house needs bricks, wood, and windows, our bodies need different types of nutrients. Some give us quick energy bursts, others build muscles, and some even help us see in the dark. Understanding these nutrients helps us make smarter food choices. So let's dive in and see what's cooking inside our plates. First up, we have the macronutrients, the heavy lifters of the nutrition world. These are the essential nutrients that our bodies need in large amounts to maintain health and energy levels. They provide the energy our bodies need to function, supporting everything from basic cellular processes to complex physical activities. Think of them as the fuel that keeps your engine running smoothly, ensuring that you have the stamina and strength to get through your day. Carbohydrates are like the body's primary energy source. They are the quickest and most efficient form of energy for our muscles and brain. They're found in bread, rice, pasta, and fruits. These foods are rich in sugars and starches that our bodies convert into glucose, the main fuel for our cells. Imagine them as little energy bars that give you that instant boost, perfect for quick bursts of activity or mental focus. Next, we have proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. Proteins are crucial for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. They help us build and repair muscles, skin, and hair. After a workout, proteins are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Think lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils for your protein fix. These foods provide the amino acids necessary for various bodily functions. Finally, we have fats, often misunderstood but essential for our bodies. Fats play a vital role in maintaining cell structure and hormone production. They help us absorb vitamins, insulate our organs, and provide long-lasting energy. Without fats, our bodies wouldn't be able to utilize fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Healthy fats are found in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. Incorporating these into your diet can support overall health and well-being, providing essential fatty acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Each macronutrient plays a crucial role in keeping your body running smoothly. Carbs provide that quick energy for your daily activities like running, jumping, or even just thinking. Proteins are the building blocks. They help repair those tiny muscle tears after a workout and keep your hair and nails strong and healthy. Fats, despite their bad reputation, are crucial for brain function, hormone production, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied after a meal. Think of it like this: carbs are the spark plugs, proteins are the bricks, and fats are the oil that keeps everything running smoothly. All of them are essential for a well-functioning body. Section 4. Vitamins and minerals, the unsung heroes. Now, let's not forget the unsung heroes, vitamins and minerals. These tiny but mighty nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining our health and vitality. These micronutrients are like the essential workers that keep everything ticking behind the scenes. They may not get the spotlight, but without them, our bodies wouldn't function properly. While we only need them in small amounts, they are vital for our well-being. Each vitamin and mineral has a unique role, contributing to various bodily functions. Vitamins, like vitamin C found in oranges, help boost our immune system and fight off nasty colds. They also aid in the repair and growth of tissues. Vitamin A, found in carrots, is crucial for healthy eyesight. It also supports the immune system and promotes good skin health. Minerals, like calcium found in milk, build strong bones and teeth. They are essential for muscle function and nerve signaling. While iron found in spinach helps our blood carry oxygen throughout the body. It is vital for energy production and overall vitality. Think of vitamins and minerals as the little helpers that ensure all your body systems function properly, from strong bones to a sharp mind. They are the unsung heroes that keep us thriving every day. Section 5. Building a balanced plate. Tips for healthy eating. Creating a balanced diet is easier than you think. It's all about enjoying a variety of foods from all food groups. Aim for a rainbow on your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Choose whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread over refined grains for longer-lasting energy and more fiber. Include lean proteins like fish, chicken, beans and lentils in your meals. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Add a dollop of avocado, sprinkle some nuts, or drizzle olive oil over your salads. Remember, portion control is key. Listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're comfortably full. Section 6. Diet disasters. Funny food fails to avoid. We've all been there. It's late, you're starving, and suddenly that entire bag of chips has vanished. Or maybe you swore off chocolate until you saw that triple chocolate cake. Don't worry, we've all had our diet disasters. Remember that time you tried substituting cauliflower for rice in everything? Or when you convinced yourself those gummy bears were practically fruit salad because they're fruit flavored? It's okay to have a laugh at our food fumbles. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward on our journey to a healthier lifestyle. Section 7. Small steps, big changes. Your journey to a healthier you. This chapter is all about embracing the little changes that can lead to a healthier, happier you. Remember, healthy eating isn't about strict rules or deprivation. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish your body and make you feel good from the inside out. Start small. Begin with simple swaps and gradually build healthier habits. Swap sugary drinks for water and notice how much better you feel. Add an extra serving of veggies to your plate and enjoy the vibrant colors and flavors they bring. Or try a new healthy recipe. Experimenting in the kitchen can be fun and rewarding. Every little step counts. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate each small victory, no matter how minor it may seem. Don't beat yourself up over occasional slip-ups. It's all part of the journey. Every day is a new opportunity to make healthier choices. Embrace each morning as a fresh start. Eating well is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the ride, experiment with flavors, listen to your body, and be mindful of what it needs. Celebrate the small victories along the way. You've got this. Remember, every positive change you make is a step towards a healthier you. Keep going and enjoy the process.